So guys, I'm gonna be watching Vina Cornish. So let's go. Ad. Stupid ad.
On planet Earth, life has thrived for millions of years. Creatures big and small have found ways to adapt and evolve to flourish in all types of environments. From barren wastes to lush forests, life can be found. Earth has owned these creatures since the dawn of life itself. Only until very recently, things have changed. New life forms have appeared all around the globe and completely changing the balance of nature and what we know about evolution itself. That is why we, at National Living Meat Research, have been studying these new species, trying to help educate everyone about these creatures and their wondrous ways of life. First, what are these new life forms? Since their explosive arrival across the globe in 1931, there has been much debate on what these newcomers are and where they came from. Are they extraterrestrials coming to invade Earth? Or are they demons who come from hell to purge humanity? From what our scientists have discovered, no. The origins of these creatures are solely to Earth, miraculously out of nowhere. We don't know why or how, but one thing is for certain, Earth is now their home. What these creatures are is mysterious and still not well known today. But here's what we do know. These creatures are comprised mainly of muscle tissue, organs, and bones. They greatly resemble animals with no skin, or store-bought meat. Because of these characteristics, they have been named accordingly as vita. The Cornish species consume decaying, organic matter, but their main diet is composed of raw meat, not including their Cornish relatives. The Cornish only appear in places where there is an abundance of crawl, which leads to the first creature of the Cornish species, the crawl. The crawl is a growth of meaty tendrils that closely resemble the small intestine, the only difference being the dark red coloration. These tendrils grow in a similar pattern as vines, mold, or fungi. A primary stem structure is the host to divisions of other, smaller branches. And each tendril contains a variety of veins, arteries, and other similar organs used to transport
We're almost
nutrients
done,
absorbed
guys.
from its surroundings.
And it's really like
The ends of these
1 in the
tendrils are
morning.
equipped
I'm
with
like freaking
organelles used to
scared.
absorb water and organic matter necessary for growth. The source of these organic materials is
But
mainly
just
found
gonna
in
be
dirt and soil on
every one
surrounding
of them. I'm
surfaces.
gonna do a part of.
Using its root-like tendrils,
Cause
it absorbs the material and processes it into usable energy.
Ew, what the
Although,
frick?
the crawl also obtains energy through another means. Using a sophisticated form of photosynthesis, the dark pigmentation of the smaller branches is ideal for absorbing sunlight, and therefore allowing solar energy to fuel the crawl's growth. Because of its efficiency, it thrives in almost all types of environments, easily allowing it to spread across the world, and can be found pretty much anywhere. Its recent inclusion in the ecosystem has caused many major changes in nature's balance. One may assume that the crawl's presence may outcompete any other competitors, but due to its unique life cycle, where old branches fall off and decay into nutrient-rich compost, all forms of life seemingly flourish instead. The crawl's abundance grants plenty of nourishment to all animals, from plants feeding on the decayed crawl, herbivores thriving on increased plant population, and carnivores feeding on both the abundant prey, and are able to eat the crawl as well. The presence of all these animals leave behind waste, which will be broken down and consumed by the crawl, and the cycle begins again. This form of symbiosis leads
The
to an
poop is
environment where all
ruining it.
populations thrive.
And now it's making it look funny.
Humanity
The
also
poo-poo.
uses the crawl to our advantage. Because of the supernatural rate of growth, with its richness in nutrients, it has
No,
been
man.
sustainably cultivated
Man,
in the
what was
domestic
that
farms.
for?
The
What was
crow is
that
harvested
for?
and processed into
No, what was
fertilizer,
that for,
which
actually?
greatly
What was
increases
it
crop yield
for?
and quality.
Why?
The crow may also be
Why did
used
you have
as
to
a
do
food
that
source
glitch?
for humans, and
I'm actually
reliably
about to
so.
press off, but I'm
But
actually
due to its
recording this.
unkindly appearance and taste, it
Ew.
has yet to reach cuisine standards.
Oh, my bad.
The story begins in ancient Greece.
After this ad, I'm gonna try to get back to the part where we were. Okay, it was like right
By
here.
appearance and taste, it has yet to reach cuisine standards. The crow also plays a very important role in the next creatures that we have been studying. Sometimes, in a crow-populated environment, a node
Ew.
may develop on one of the
It's
branches.
pooping.
This node will fall off and grow into a
It's
functioning
pooping.
organism and grow to live on
Ew.
as an independent animal.
It's a roly
This
poly.
leads us to the upcoming species that we will be discussing. The first of these creatures are the trimmings.
Yep, that's it, guys. Hope you don't have nightmares, but cause I am. Anyways, bye.